How do you manage your money if you're starting from zero? This Money 101 guide breaks down the basics of income, expenses, saving, debt, emergency funds, and investing all in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Here's where it all begins. The basics of money. Income, that's the money you earn from your job, business, or side hustle. Expenses are the things you spend money on: rent, groceries, bills, and even that daily coffee. Savings, this is money you set aside for future use. You must feel proud every time you save a little. Investments, that's money working for you, like stocks, bonds, or real estate. Think of it like planting seeds that grow over time. 50-30-20 rule and debt. Here's a simple rule to manage your money. 50% goes to needs, like rent and groceries. 30% goes to wants, like hobbies or occasional treats. Please enjoy them without guilt. 20% goes to savings and investments. This is the part that helps your money grow and protects your future. Now, let's talk about debt. The silent killer, debt can quietly destroy your finances. It's a hidden weight. Always try to pay more than the minimum. One helpful method is the debt snowball. Start by paying off your smallest debts first, gain momentum, then tackle the bigger ones. Controlling debt is like gaining freedom. Emergency fund. An emergency fund is your safety net. It's a shield that protects you from unexpected events like car repairs or medical bills. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. Start small, be consistent, and over time, feel the peace of knowing you are prepared. Investing basics. Investing might sound scary, but it doesn't have to be. It's a tool that helps your money grow. Start small with ETFs, index funds, or mutual funds. The secret is to start early and let compounding work like magic. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Think of success as slow and steady. Consistency beats hype every time. Mindset shift. Here's something important. Money is a tool, not a goal. Plan carefully and stick to it. When you control your money, you control your life. Managing what you have is the real key to financial freedom. Start today. Track your expenses, save just a small amount, or invest in one ETF. Imagine the small steps adding up to massive results. If you want part 2 on advanced investing tips, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for more money mastery content.